Chad, oh. That's pretty.
Wow. It's so you, Chad.
That is unbelievable.
It's so you, Chad.
A bottle of wine, an ice bag, and a blanket.
What am I going to call it?
And there's a vibrator inside.
Little duck.
There's a vaginal soft blanket.
I bet.
It's actually really nice.
I know it's from your sister.
Is there a white elephant in it? No.
Not the
All right.
Number 10. Number 10. All right, thank you, Robin, for paying attention.
I'm going for the other gold package.
Really? Lisa's like, that is nice.
You gotta go next.
She's a hippie girl.
Hey, you're not the only one. There's 5 people that did that.
Wait, photo round. Oh, sorry, Danny. Wait,
Robin, what do you got?
Here we go. Robin!
That's the name you used to dance under.
Yes!
Robin!
That's hilarious.
Big white box.
Oh my God, not the elephant. Oh, I thought you got the elephant.
Yes!
What is it?
What is it?
Oh my God! It's oh! No way! It's Aviator Nation hoodie on your top and it's red. Wow. That's funny. That's really funny.
Oh, really?
No, it's yeah, Jax has a zipper.
Just make it. Wait, 7.
Sorry.
Oh, Nancy. Nancy, your sister.
Give me back my jacket.
No, wait. I know you fucked it up. It was over there. Who put it over here? That's your sister. Sorry, everybody. You guys, I don't know who did it, but someone took Jack O'Rourke's birthday present from over there and put it under the tree.
Christmas is canceled!